the new Nassau cruise port. A big LED display welcoming you to Nassau. So here is the directory, welcome center. There's a Junkanoo Museum and a taxi stand. We're entering the kiosk, the colorful kiosk. These kiosks house local vendors who sell their goods to tourists. Hair Braiders Pavilion. It's a confined space where you can do your shopping. You don't have to go out to the street if you don't want to, especially if you've been to Nassau a bunch of times. We've been to Nassau like plenty of times. So this is perfect for us to like come in and maybe pick up a souvenir here, a drink, or something like that. So yeah, I really like it. And you also don't have a lot of those like street vendors that when you went outside of the gates that they would be harassing you for stuff. You don't have that here. So that is definitely a good thing. So they're still in the process of building, you know, bars and a restaurant here, which is gonna be nice when it's finished, you know. And of course they have like different shops. They have clothing shops, beachwear shops. Looks like a shop for coffee and gelato and pastries. Here's the exit if you wish to go outside of the area and onto the main streets in Nassau. So here is the amphitheater here. As you can see, it's really nice. There's seating, and this is where they have like concerts and things like that here in Nassau. This is a really nice space. So far, we're really impressed with this new cruise port. And this takes you all the way down to, the straw market. This is the end of the new area, and it's a great place. They have benches here where you can sit and enjoy the beautiful blue water of Nassau. So overall, the new port entry here in Nassau, it's worth a visit. If you've been to Nassau a bunch of times, but you haven't been here to see this new port area, I think you should. It's nice. I think I'll get off here and come here just to browse around and maybe pick up some stuff without having to go into the city unless I want some of that rum cake. Other than that, I think that this is a nice little walk for you to come out, stretch your legs, especially if you got sea legs, while you're here in Nassau. So we decided to go across the street to the straw market, and I'm glad we did. A lot of the things in the straw market are substantially less than it is in the cruise port area. So if you have some time, go across the street, local craftsmen. I bought a couple of things and they were much cheaper. Here's another view of the beautiful Viva. So lunch was a win on the Norwegian Viva. I got me a nice fish sandwich, and the bun was so nice, and it was fresh, and everything was good. Like I said, fresh, flavorful, good. You cannot lose on the Norwegian Viva's buffet. And I'm so glad that we did it, because on the Prima, we didn't really eat at the buffet. So it's a nice option. So we eating lunch here in the Surfside Cafe, y'all. And let me show y'all what we eating, because they are really good. These onion rings, y'all. Nice and hot and tasty. And as Shay said, and they taste good. So we are out here on pool deck 17. We thought we was gonna get our little melanin bronzed up a little bit, but it's a little overcast out here. We're gonna stay out here a little bit longer. Right?
Yeah, the clouds keep playing peekaboo.
So Shay and her feelings about that. We're gonna stay out here a little bit longer, y'all, and then we're going inside. The local bar and grill is another food option here in the Viva, and they sell American food such as these nachos, which weren't the greatest, and they have chicken wings. They're baked, not fried. I like not fried hard now. And they have salads and burgers. It's a nice food option.
We're gonna go to the casino and turn these 20s into 100s.
We turned them 20s into nothing, nada, zilch.
So we are now leaving Nassau. First time back since they've done the pier and everything over. It looks nice. It looked nice.
It does.
And I think it was cool how you could stay inside like the section that they just did, and you can like walk down to the straw market without having to go on the street and walk down. So
Yes.
that helped as well. But tomorrow, last day, first time at their private island. So first time at what was it? I forgot. I always get the stirrup cake.
Yeah.
Greek stirrup cake. First time there. So really excited. Understand it's tender there.
Yes.
But we're gonna see how it works, especially because we have priority access for the sailing. So we're supposed to get priority tender going over. So we're gonna see how Greek stirrup cake is. But so far, so okay.
Yeah.
For the Viva.
Yeah.
I enjoyed the Prima a little bit better.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it.
All right. So we're at the Soul Bar. It's in the back by Dulles Food Hall, and we're gonna try the drink of the day, which is the what is the drink of the day? The cucumber cool. Change of plan. Shay's getting the cucumber cool. I'm gonna get the red bubbles. It's a pre-made cocktail here.
What does it taste like?
It's bubbly, prosecco, and it's a little sweetness with whatever red beverage that they have that's pre-mixed, and it's not bad.
This is cucumber cool, and it is okay tasting. I think I don't like elderflowers.
So the double eggs have come, and they're topped with bacon, y'all.
Candy maple bacon.
Candy maple bacon, Shay said, and the chunky potato salad.
The double eggs, they're okay for like cruise ship double eggs. The candy maple bacon on top gives it like that unique edge. It's more of a savory, like double eggs are savory, but it's not sweet, so there's like no sweet component to it. It's more mustardy. But the candy maple bacon kind of makes up for it not having like that sweet touch for like double eggs. But they're okay.
Potato salad.
It's okay. Like how you said, it's like vinegary. It's not any mayonnaise in it, I don't think so. But it's not bad. So this is the agnolotti, and it has braised beef stuffed inside of it.
We're here at Hudson's for night 3 of dinner. That pan gorgonzola salad was strong, but it was good, y'all. Q got the sirloin. He said that was good. Shay and I got the New York strip, and it was excellent. And for dessert, we got the lava cake with the strawberry sauce and the ice cream, and it was so good. All of our dinners here at Hudson's has been so good, y'all. We love it. So we are ending this evening at the Metropolitan Bar with the Shadow Whiskey. So this is the tour of our Norwegian Viva stateroom 11198. You come in. It's a nice stateroom area. This is the bed. 2 twins. Plenty of space underneath to put your luggage. Around. This is the pull-out bed that sleeps 1, maybe 2. Okay. Right here on the lights, there's a USB and a C outlet, so that's good. You don't see those on I guess this is a newer cruise ship, so that's good to know. And there's also a regular outlet for you to plug up things. Drawers here. Nice size television there on the wall. Here's a desk with the LED lights, and this is just a pull-out little stool with a handle that you could just pull that out and sit on. There's the hair dryer here, and this up. There's the refrigerator in here. shelving here. Here there are four of these pegs for you to hang jackets and shirts. Open up. This is a nice spacious closet here where you can hang things, and shelving down here. And you can also put stuff here. This is the closet. Open this up. Plenty of down here. They have these wire drawers that come out with wire baskets that come out. There's 2 of them here. And okay, here's the mirror with hangers. There's the safe, and these are 2 additional wire baskets down here as well. It's the bathroom. This is a really nice spacious bathroom. A nice big LED mirror here, shelving for your toiletry items, a nice size sink, and they have the hand soap here, and there's shelving here if you need a shelf to put your items. And this shower, really spacious shower that has a nice shower head here. They also have body wash and conditioning shampoo. There's shelving units here to put your items. Of course, a footrest here to put your foot if you are shaving. Water temperature control here. There's a handle here to hold in case you need it. Like I said, I'm turning around in it, and I have plenty of room in here. So, yes, I'm stepping out. And this is also, as you can see, a glass door, shower door. Some hooks here to hang up your towels. And so, like I said, it's a nice bathroom. Some nice artwork there. They also have an outlet here for your shaver. Last part is the balcony. Here's the balcony. So just coming out, nice size balcony, 2 chairs and a small table where you can put your drinks or snacks. With, of course, a beautiful day, a beautiful view of the ocean. And this is the tour of stateroom 11198 on the Norwegian Viva.